Announced almost exactly a year after the Fold, the Galaxy Z Flip presents a refined look at the category. Having only spent a little time with the product after the unveiling, I'm not quite ready to declare that this is the phone the Fold should have been, but it certainly feels like a key step in the right direction. The display is covered in glass. The company is vague about the specifics, but everything about the Flip feels more solid than its predecessor, right down to the folding mechanism. It's sturdy. In fact, you can have the device open at a number of different angles to prop it up. Closing it requires more force than the Fold, and that's a good thing. The 6.7-inch display puts it toward the larger end of the spectrum among smartphones, but it fits extremely comfortably in the pocket when closed. If you've ever used a clamshell phone before, you get the appeal on that front. The Flip's screen is small and not super duper useful, but it's there when needed. Instead of a full display, the Flip features a little window in the bottom corner. This is almost exclusively good for things like time and battery life. You can swim through to other things, but beyond that, it's a stretch. Double tap the fingerprint sensing power button and it will turn into a display for selfies. It's a bad selfie screen. It gives you an idea of whether you're framing the image well, but that's where the usefulness stops. So what do you think about this clamshell? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. This is Z signing off, and I'll catch you in the next one.